In this video, we're going to do a tutorial on how to draw a 2-point perspective. So I start off by drawing my horizon line, picking any 2 random points. I'm going to pick a point directly below the middle. I'm going to make it look like a street view, looking down 2 opposite streets of a building. At the moment I'm creating my sidewalk here. As you can see, I'm joining it back to 1 and 2 points. Now I'm going to start drawing my building. I'm going to pick a random point along this line and draw it back to both my points again on the horizon line. Now I'm going to pick any height for this building, but I'm going to pick it above the horizon line. So once again I'm going to vanish it back, this time to my 2 points. Now I'm going to pick any width and bring it down. I'm going to repeat this step again on the right hand side of the building. Now I'm going to pick any height for a door on this building and vanish back to one of my points. Now I'm putting in the detail for a door. Next I'm going to vanish points back for the other side of the building so I can put windows on it. When I have this done, I'm going to create another point above and below my horizon line for a window. Once again, I'm vanishing these points back to my vanishing points. I'm repeating the step on the left hand side of my building now. As you can see, all points that are picked on the building are all vanished back to my vanishing points, which are located on the horizon line. When I have this much detail done now in this building, I'm going to go over it heavy. Now I'm adding in small window detail. When I have this much done, I'm now going to go and repeat the exact same steps I've already done, but by putting 2 more buildings, one located either side of this building. I'm going to start on the right hand side of this building now. So I picked a random point, I've drawn a line up horizontal, vertical, and I have vanished that back to my vanishing point to the left hand side. I also vanished back to my right hand vanishing point. When I have this done, I can now pick whatever width I want along this line. As you can see, I've just made it a long looking building but smaller in height than another building. I'm now going to repeat the same steps with another building on the left hand side of the building in the middle. Again, all my points are being vanished back to the vanishing points. It's important to note that all lines must be vanished back to the vanishing points for there to give an actual correct demonstration of the points. Now I'm going to add in the small detail once again, such as doors and windows, again vanishing them back to the vanishing points. All points must be vanished back to the vanishing points to give a correct representation of the building in 2 point perspective. When I have this much done, I'm now going to go over the building in pencil and pen. At this point, I've now created 3 buildings. So I'm going to add in the minor detail and put in the road pavings along the foot. This is achieved by passing my points along the footpath and vanishing them back to my vanishing point on the right. I will now have to go and repeat the step on the left hand side. When I have this far completed, I can now start shading in my object to give it a more proper representation.